later hereafter. The lesson of emergency is, the story of emergency is one thing, the lessons of emergency is another. I will tell you one or two instances of how the emergency situation developed. One, I told you about this, the Congress split, and then slowly the domination of the Supreme Court by the government, by the ruling party, and then appointing the judges of their choice, those who will be biased and in their favor, and nationalization not as an economic program but as a political ideology. To say that we are all for poor and anyone who opposes this is for the rich, and CIA agents. We were all called once CIA agents because we opposed all this. Everyone was branded. And everybody was thrown on the defensive. And nobody wants to face this kind of calumny. These things had developed much, much, much ahead of emergency. So, I was a chartered accountant attached to the Indian Express. I was doing the auditing of their books. When suddenly I saw, I think somewhat in the month of April or so, April 1974. So the Bihar movement was enveloping into a big movement. So Ramnath Goenka, Jayaprakash Narayan, Nanaji Deshmukh, Achyut Patwardhan, Ramdari Singh Dinkar. You must have heard about Ramdari Singh Dinkar. He was a great poet, a great friend of the Nehru family, and was a great friend of Indira Gandhi also. So all five entered, and suddenly I was in the guest house of the Indian Express. I was asked to vacate and go outside because they were all going to sit and discuss. The 3 hours they are going to be here. Till then you sit outside. So I was sitting in the veranda outside so that I could listen to all that they were talking. So they were all persuading Jayaprakash Narayan, you must somehow head the Bihar movement, you must lead the movement. Jayaprakash said, I am not going to live for long. I know what's happening is wrong, but I don't want to lead the movement because I will die. I am not going to live for long. I get up 20 times in the night. My prostate is in poor condition. My health is in poor condition. So I will not live, so don't trouble me. Ask somebody else to lead. So Ramnath Goenka says, I will set right in Vellore Hospital, I'll have you treated and all that. Then Ramdari Singh Dinkar was saying that you are born to do this is your last contribution. Even if you die in the process, you must launch the agitation. Then Nanaji Deshmukh said that, what are you going to live for? 6 months you are going to live for? Start the agitation and die. This is the kind of talk. I was listening to all this at that time. That's all I knew. Afterwards, all of them said, we could not find any answer. Let us all go to Tirupati. So, all the old men went to Tirupati. I never knew what happened later. But Nanaji Deshmukh told me, in Tirupati, Ramdari Singh Dinkar prayed to Lord Balaji, give the remaining years of my life to Jayaprakash. And they all went to Chennai. In Ramnath Goenka's house, Ramdari Singh Dinkar died on the lap of Jayaprakash Narayan. So Jayaprakash felt that he had a divine mandate to fight. See how things, if Jayaprakash had not led the Bihar movement, there would have been no Bihar movement. There would have been no foundation for emergency. The most important thing is not Balaji or going to the temple. Ramdari Singh Dinkar's prayer that give the remaining years of my life to Jayaprakash Narayan so that he can fight and lead this movement. Can we find such people in public life today? Who will pray to God, please give my remaining years of life to a person more useful than me? This is the spirit which made the fight against emergency possible.